joining us together to the beginning of Earth.
And today we're going to conduct an interview here at ICCC for the tourism management.
So, let's go! Yeah.
Good day everyone. Today we have to interview a cruise student. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Sergio Benjamero from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, second year council.
Hi everyone, my name is Zakios Obilado from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from ESPM 2A.
First up, let's talk about energy. Why do you think our bodies need a constant supply of energy every day?
Well, I think our body needs a constant energy every day because we do have a school every day. Like in a week, we do have four days in a row. So it is very important to restore our energy because may kita like mga activities sa school, may kita like inaansiran sa school. So we need to restore energy para maka-brainstorm kita, para maging like sadya platon nga day, hindi kita very blunt tulokon sa mga tao.
Exactly. So, ang second question is, how do things like food, sleep, or exercise specifically affect your energy during a week?
Okay, so I think sleeping and eating is very important to us because it helps us to maintain our looks or energy and also to preserve our energy and conserve, especially in sleeping.
That's a great answer. The third question are, what kind of food do you think are actually essential for staying healthy for a long run?
For me, I think I'm a very sweet tooth person. I rather eat sweets like something that has a glucose, like sweet chocolates or any candies, so that I can maintain my energy in the long run. Thank you.
Same. So the next question is, what traits do you think people most commonly inherit from their parents?
I do believe that the trait na gina-inherit na naton sa ating mga parents is like ang attitude. Because I believe nga amo ni siya ang ginatun-an naton or base gina-adapt lang naton unconsciously or gina-learn ginaton through the process of growing. So I believe nga ang attitude gid kay amo ang ginatudlo sa panimalay sa una-una pa lang.
Yes, stop target. So next question, why is our skin so important for protection?
So as someone, as you can see, I do makeup. So I believe like I believe that skin protection is very important since amo na ang facade sa aton nga body. Amo na ang most very seen part of the body naton ang skin. So pwede mo na siya magamit especially if maging professional ka na, especially sa job. Ang skin gid ang aton nga isa sa mga factor na isa sa mga factor nga aga kabaton kita sa work. Kaya mo na ang makita gid sa tao sa.
Yes, thank you for that. So the last question nga is, as a future tourism professional, how is taking care of your body helpful for your future career?
I believe na helpful gid ang pag-protect sa aton nga skin since as I said earlier, isa din sa mga factor na aga kabaton kita sa aton nga mga obra. Amo ni ang facade sa aton nga body and amo na yung una nga makita gid sa aton. So it is very important nga and helpful para sa aton gid as someone nga aspiring to tourism professional. So yeah.
How about you? Yes.
Well, in tourism industry, it is very important to take care of our body and to maintain our looks because especially mga jobs nga it takes namon like kinalansang like very exposure ang mga appearance namon dapat very friendly, like very formal kami tulokon. So that's why nga very important man sa amon nga i-take care namon kag i-embody ang muna nga traits or mga kinaugalian.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
And that's all for today. And by the way, I am Maria Pepo Gashon, your interviewer for today. And is it Anderson?
And I am Juben.
And I am Zach.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
That was such an insightful conversation. One thing I've learned today is that our body aren't just there, they are active systems that respond to every choice we make, from our sleep to the food we eat.
So, our main takeaways for all of you watching, anatomy is not just for doctors. It's for anyone who wants to live a long, productive life. Take care of your human machine now, so it take care of you in your future career.